Hey girl, your Posh journey starts right here with this, the starter kit. I'm so excited to be able to show you this new kit to you today. You know, it's been 7 years since I joined, and I love Posh as much as I did from the very beginning. I'm very passionate about it. But one of the things is, and every new teammate always has to brag about how when they get their new kit, how amazing it is. So I'm so excited to be able to share this to you again. It's been 7 years since I did it. So let's just dig right in, okay? Let's get started. Okay. I can tell you right off the bat, the smell is incredible. Some of these scents are very familiar to me, so I wish that I could give you smell-o-vision, but I can't. Okay, the first one is BFF. It's an exfoliating cleanser, gentle enough for daily use. It's amazing. We use a lot of essential oils. Oh yes, well adjusted. This is a new core product for Posh, and it's a toner. It is really amazing. It's great for deep cleansing and for tightening up your pores, and it also has glycolic acid in it, so this helps to gently exfoliate your face too. Wonderful, wonderful product. Never grow up. Okay, serums are so important for your skin because they have to penetrate deep into the underlayers of your skin, which is, it's where the new skin is coming from. So you've got to nourish that. It's amazing. Never grow up. This is the complimentary face cream that goes with the serum. Okay. Wonderful, wonderful. This kit is going to give you a complete face care routine. It's simply amazing. Okay. Beach blanket. It smells amazing. It's called So Soapy. It's one of the most popular scents at Posh. It's been around for a little bit, and it's wonderful. And we also have a complimentary, I saw this in there, Big Fat Yummy Hand Cream also. This makes a great set to go together. Okay, so if you have a client that loves this smell, and I'm sure you're going to find one that does, including yourself, that makes a cute little gift to go together. The Ritual. The Ritual has been around with Posh forever, and it is a pink pomegranate face mask, and this is an exclusive. It's an exclusive for consultants. You can't buy this anywhere, and when you get your kit, the best thing to do is put this on and take some selfies and show it off on social media. Brag about it because your skin's going to feel amazing when you're done with that. Oh, look at this. Okay, this is an exclusive for this kit, the I Heart Me. I'm going to get my pair of scissors here. It is heart-shaped. It's a fizzy bath bomb. I have not smelled this yet. Oh my goodness, ladies. This is something you're going to love. It's amazing, amazing. And I do believe in baths, and I'm going to be jumping in the bath with that one for sure. Okay, also in the kit, another very popular, probably one of our very best sellers, the Healer, which is almost a pure shea butter stick. It's got a couple of essential oils like orange and grapefruit in it, vanilla. It is wonderful. You can use this on so many different areas of your body. And it's just great. You can use it for your lips. You can use it on any dry skin conditions. You can use it around your eyes or lip lines, wherever you need to get rid of excess lines. Okay, there's also samples that come. Now this is the BFF samples. Here's the full-size product. You get 20 of these samples, and this is going to help you to grow your business considerably. Handing out samples, and especially if you can be with the people when they try this, that is the very best way to sell your Posh products, to sell your business. Because let me tell you, once somebody tries the product, they actually use it, they feel it, they smell it, they are going to love it because they cannot find anything else like Posh anywhere. Trust me. Okay, some additional samples. Now these are the BFF samples. Okay, the big fat, I'm sorry, not BFF samples, the Big Fat Yummy Hand Cream samples. We have a lot of great names. And this smells amazing. It smells amazing. 20 samples. those go a long way. Okay, let's see what else is included in the kit. Oh my gosh, there's all different kinds of business tools. You've got the buy 5 get 1 free. You make your customers make a list. These pampering reading cards are amazing. It's kind of like tarot cards in a way, but it's for pampering, and they are just absolutely the best. You've got a bag. Okay, awesome. And let's see what fell on the floor. Of course, your new protege pink Posh pen. That is awesome. Okay, now I want you girls to set a goal. You're going to rank up, and as you rank up, you're going to be collecting more of these pens and a lot more prizes and bonuses for when you do promote out. You've got a catalog, and there's the polka dotted guide. It's got a lot of information. And let me just also say that what is not physically inside this beautiful, gorgeous kit that even comes with a little handle, okay, that you can use as kind of like a little briefcase and carry your Posh around if you like to. But what does not come in this kit physically are additional business tools that you can get on our site. It's called the portal area, and there are so many different like t-shirts and business tools and business cards, more samples of other products, and there's a whole list that you get for, I think it was half off price, okay? Half off for a certain amount of time. Now, it's very important that after you get your kit, try to do some social media, like do this unveiling stuff, because it works. Okay, and have fun. That's the most important thing. You are going to love all of your new Posh products, and we're so excited that you're going to get started with your new business. And we really do, we really do want to help you grow a very successful business, one that's so big that you're going to be able to pass it down to your children one day. So get out there and pamper the world and just have fun and let everybody know how amazing the Posh products are.